first of its kind job. We're going to be washing this basement floor of a bar restaurant and just doing some before pictures. So we're going to attempt to get this floor as clean as possible without trying to cause a flood. Hope the drainage works, but we're gonna give it a try and see what we could do with it, you know? Get it as clean as best we could. All right, now this debris right here, as much as everything you could right there, these red things, get them up. And I'm gonna turn the gun on and let's see what we could do. Okay, I'll get back.